Hi,
How are you?
I'm good.
Uh, Tell us your journey to the industry.
I'm from Bombay. I'm born and brought up in Bombay. I'm a Bombay girl. And Telugu industry में मैंने अपनी शुरुआत की थी with the film called Fitting Master with Alari Naresh, which was directed by Mr. late EVV Satyanarayan ji. And after that, followed by Alasem Amrutam with Nikhil, which was produced by Mr. late D. Ramanaidu sir, which was the best experience of my life. And after that, I did this film called Memu Vaisuku Vacham with Tanish, which is directed by Trinath sir. These are my three Telugu films. And then apart from that, I did a film in Kannada, which was called Shaurya with Darshan. And Shaurya, Telugu Shaurya जो थी जिसमें आपने देखी होगी, I'm sure you guys know the Telugu Shaurya. That was the same Shaurya remake in Kannada. After that, I did a Punjabi film called Patiala Dreams, which was again a very fun experience. And later than that, I did a German film which was called The Girl with the Indian Emeralds. Currently, I just finished shooting for an English film which is for Cannes Film Festival, which will release in the month of, I think, mid-March or April. So I'm really looking forward to that because I want to also spread my wings in the international market, and I think Cannes is the best place a film can go to. So yes, and my first Hindi film, I've done two Bollywood films so far. The first film I did in Bollywood, I was launched by Ganesh Acharya, and they launched Sanjay Dutt's nephew, Nilesh Sahai, and myself. The film is called Angel. Again, a very beautiful experience of my life because I was playing a spastic girl in the film. I was on a wheelchair and half my body was paralyzed. It was the most challenging role an actor can get in once in their lifetime in their career. So yes, I got that opportunity and I grabbed it. So Angel was my debut film in Bollywood. And just now again last year on the 25th of April, my second Bollywood film released, which was by Suraj Bharjatia, Rajshri Productions. The name of the film is Samrat and Company with actor Rajiv Khandelwal. So yeah.
What's your character in Ram Leela?
This is a promotional song which I have done in the film, and it's the add-on package of excitement and glamour that you will get to watch in the film. The story of the film continues with the leads, and I am a step, you can say, a step up. And I've done this song called Bhajana Bhajana, which is the highlight of the film. It's a beautiful song choreographed by Johnny Master and choreographed and so beautifully. You can see the songs. I'm sure you must have seen it in the trailers by now. And cinematography is done by Mr. Gopal sir. I don't think the entire package could have gotten any more exciting for me to grab this. So Havish and I, we're shaking a leg on this song, and it's completely a foot tapping tune. I'm sure when you start listening to this song, the first time you hear it, you want to keep listening to it again and again. So yeah, I did the promotional song of Ram Leela, which releases on the 27th of this month, which is just a few days from now.
Well, an actress to a special song in Ram Leela. How does it happen?
It's a very good thing because I think I don't want to restrict myself from just doing films and not being able to do other things. Right now, today, if you see, when you're an actress yourself, you do so many films as a lead, and if you get an opportunity to leave your mark in a film where you just leave a mark, you don't do anything else, you just leave a mark, and that mark becomes the highlight of the film. So I want to also expand in that kind of a criteria. So I think it's the perfect opportunity, and when you get a good song, you get a good choreographer, you get a good cinematographer. What else does an actor want anyways? That's why I chose this.
Fine. Priyanka Chopra did an item number in Hindi titled Ram Leela.
Yeah.
In Telugu title, you are doing an item number. Can we see any resemblance in you both?
Well, we are two different people with two different personalities, different characteristics, different looks, as you can see. So yes, I can't talk about any similarities here, but there's a lot of dancing. The only thing common between that Ram Leela and this Ram Leela is there's a lot of dancing and there's a lot of beautiful choreography. I'm sure the one which you saw in the Hindi Ram Leela, this is not any less than that. Probably 10 times more than that because it's choreographed very well and it's looking very nice too.
Big personalities in Telugu industry. One is E.V. sir and other one is D. Ramanaidu.
Yes.
Why was this lot of gap?
Oh yeah, because like I said, like I was telling you, I did two Bollywood films and a Kannada film and a German film and an English film and a Punjabi film. So you got the answer yourself. The gap has been because I didn't have a lot of time here in Hyderabad because the assignments which I had taken up already didn't allow me to be in Hyderabad for a very long time. And I want to break this barrier right now. I have a few releases also in Telugu right now, one after the other. So yeah, I'm back with a bang. And I was never gone to begin with. I've always been around.
What are the films which are in queue?
Well, the film which I can disclose right now is obviously Ram Leela. And after this, there's a film which I did with late Uday Kiran. And the film is called Chitram Cheppina Katha. We were shooting for this film, and due to the tragedy that happened, the film was not able to complete. But Uday's cousin sister, Vanita Narsimha, who is also a producer in Tamil industry, she has decided that she wants to release this film. Obviously not for anybody else, only for Uday. So I couldn't back out from this thought myself. And there were a few scenes which demanded me to be solo, naturally, because Uday is not present anymore. So I did that. So yeah, Chitram Cheppina Katha is my release that I'm looking forward to, and I guess it should release somewhere in March or April. And then again there are 2-3 other releases also, but I can't disclose that because I haven't finished shooting of that.
How did you got this offer? Who approached you first?
For which one?
For Ram Leela.
Oh, who approached me? Well, like you know, it's a very small industry, and we all know each other. So they were looking out for a girl who is lively, sparky, energetic, who can dance. So that's how they came looking for me. They thought probably I have all those qualities that it takes to make this song. That's how I was approached for it.
How is it working with Havish?
Oh, very good, very
He's
good.
on sets?
Oh, he is awesome on sets, trust me. He's ekdam bindas. And you know, like how I am when I'm shooting, I'm also like a very bindas person. I never take stress for the lines or for the steps or for anything. I like to go with the flow. I'm a spontaneous actor. I do not believe in doing homework, so I'm like switch on and switch off. And Havish is also quite, kafi had tak he's like that. He's an extremely hardworking person, a dedicated person. He used to rehearse for the song. We used to rehearse together. We rehearsed for almost a week and a half before we started shooting for the song. So the level of dedication, there's the most important thing for an actor is to have dedication. And Havish has 100% of dedication. And what dedication dikta hai when you see the film and you see the song. I saw the film today morning and I told Havish, you will rock this. And he's looking like a rock star. You see the hoardings, you see the song, you see his dance, you see the way he's acted and emoted. Havish is very good. And I really wish him all the best, and I pray that he gets all the success that he truly deserves.
The song you did, is it an item song or a special number?
It's a special number. I do not think I can categorize Bhajana Bhajana like a item song, because the way it's choreographed and the way it's picturized, the way it's filmed, it's not exactly like an item number, but you have a lot of elements which might make you think that it ends up looking like that. But yeah, it's good enough because it's like the highlight of the film, and it has all the focus that a commercial song today, a masala song of Tollywood requires. It's a mass song. It's a complete mass song. You'll be seeing Havish and I dancing in this beautifully created set where you have huts and you have lights and you have carts and bullock carts and sand, and it's a very rugged kind of a set, and lit it up very well. When you have a cinematographer like Gopalji, you don't require anything else to make everybody look good. We are looking what we're looking only because of Gopalji. So yep, it's a very different kind of a number. If you hear the song once, you will not forget it for the rest of your life, and you want to hear it again and again and again and again because it's a very catchy tune. So I think that this song is, like I said, is the highlight of the film, and when you watch it yourself, you can share your opinions with me because I know you're going to love it anyways. It's such a cute song.
Can we hear that song from you?
Well, I do not remember the entire lyrics. I'm a little poor in Telugu. Teliyadu.
You can just hum.
Bhajana, 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 Ram bhajana. Bhajana, 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 Prem bhajana. That's the tune.
The script demands, are you ready to do pictures like dirty picture? Are you comfortable wearing two-piece bikini?
Okay, now I need to clear out a very big misunderstanding which most of the people in our country today think. See, for me, talking about myself, I'm an actor. and the things that I do in my personal life are totally different than the things that I do on a film. So, if the character demands, it's my profession. It's not supposed to be seen in a very negative kind of a way. I haven't done it so far, but when you talk about bikinis, when you talk about two pieces, what world are you living in, my dear? When you walk out in a 5-star hotel today, when you walk out in a hotel and you see by the beach, by the pool, there are so many girls in a bikini, normal girls who are not even actors. So why does an actor hesitate in wearing a bikini when a normal second you just walk out of your door, see the other girl who lives next door, see her diving in the swimming pool in the building or in her house, she'll be in a bikini. Big deal. So it's not a big deal these days. The bikini hype is not a bikini hype anymore. When normal girls can wear it, why can't actors wear it? And if it's demanding in the subject and the script demands it, I think it's okay. It's perfect.
You acted in many languages, right?
Yeah. Quite a few.
Kannada, Tamil also.
Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, then I did a German, I did English, I did Punjabi. Yeah.
Any upcoming films in Telugu and
Like I told you.
Other than these films?
Yes, there is a Kannada film which is due. I think it's going to release somewhere in August. I yet cannot disclose the name of that film because there's a lot of procedures yet to be done before the film gets released. And like I said, I have this film, this English short film for Cannes Film Festival. It's titled Antat Taha. Antat Taha is the name of the film. और बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से पिक्चराइज हुई है ये फिल्म. I have a lot of expectations in the international market once this film hits the screen of Cannes. So I can't wait for this. He knows how to conceive a scene. He knows how to get the emotion out. He knows exactly what points to press and get the emotions running from the audience. I think he's extremely blessed, and I pray that he also gets tremendous response from this film because he's worked so hard on it. Each and every soul in our entire unit has worked so hard on this film. Our director sir is a very good human being also at the same time, very cool. Not like directors who are so, some directors are really difficult to work with because they are so short-tempered. And it becomes difficult for an actor if the director is short-tempered, we lose that frame of mind. So Kiran sir was very mellow and very calm and very positive person. When you see him, you be around him, the way he explains the scene to you, he explains it to you so well that it becomes so easy to perform because you've understood the meaning so well. So yeah, Kiran sir के साथ काम करके मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा and I would definitely like to work with him again.
Do you have any dream role?
I do. I already played one dream role which I had being a child to becoming an actor when I used to dream of myself to be an actor. The role which I already played in my first Hindi film called Angel, where I told you I was playing a spastic handicapped girl. That was one of my dream roles because I know that in an actor's life, in an actor's journey, only once in a lifetime that you get an opportunity to play something like this, which I played in Angel. So yep, I played one dream role by the grace of God, and I would like to play something which is really intense, I don't want to do the repetitive stuff. I've tried to always break the ice and do stuff which is different from the others. So I want to do some hard-hitting roles, something like probably what Rani did in Mardani, something like what Kangana did in Queen. Something like that, definitely. I am open to doing something like that. I'm really looking forward to getting some hard-hitting roles like Mardani and something as chirpy and as cute as Queen.
Did you met a producer class in film?
Of course. I worked in his film. How come I will not meet him? Yes, of course. We used to be on the set every day. That's where we met for the first time. We met on the set. And
Did he give you your full remuneration?
oh yeah, he gave my full remuneration. I wouldn't have worked, okay? Well, we're all professional people, jokes apart, but we're all professional people, and everybody knows what it takes if you have an actor on board. It's a level of commitment which is from both sides. So yeah, I do my job, and the producer is supposed to feel that yes, he chose the right person for that job, and obviously the remuneration part is yeah.
Did you see any Telugu films?
Yes, I've watched quite a few Telugu
Who is
films.
your favorite actor?
Many. I can't say one.
If at all you get
Nagarjuna, Mahesh Babu sir, NTR sir. I worked with NTR. NTR ji के साथ मैंने काम किया. I did one commercial called Imami, Thanda Thanda Cool Cool, which was directed by SS Rajmouli sir. There you go. so many people. I want to work with all these people. Allu Arjun, I like him. He's very sweet. Nag Chaitanya, he's doing so well these days. And Rana, all of them, everybody.
If at all you get a chance in choosing a hero for your next movie, whom would that be?
Oh my god. You know, that will be a very unfair answer because I can't think of only one person who I want to work with. It's not a personal choice here, it's professional. So I have many faces and many actors who I want to work with in Telugu industry. Everybody is so good. It's so difficult to just take one name because everybody is so good. They are so blessed and they're doing so well for themselves. So I would like to, if I get an opportunity by the grace of God, I would like to work with all these people who are today, who are the young talent which is in Tollywood industry. If I get a chance to work with, nothing like it.
We are expecting one name from you.
I'm not giving you a name, trust me, because like I said, it's going to be. I look for a multi-starrer. Exactly. Perfect. There you go. I look for a multi-starrer. So I get an opportunity to be with everybody in the film at the same time.
Okay. All the best.
Thank you.